Hi, this is Jennifer Fernandez with the News and Record. It's about 1 o'clock on Thursday. I just wanted to show you my backyard. I live off of Cone Boulevard, sort of in northeast Greensboro by US 29. As you can see, my trees are still pretty well iced over. Even though it's raining right now, the ice is holding pretty firm. My rail is kind of slick, but the steps aren't too bad. The ground is soaked right now. There's still a pretty good amount of ice on these trees, even with the rain. Hi, this is Jennifer Fernandez with the News and Record. It's about 5 o'clock on Thursday. I just wanted to show what my backyard looks like about 4 hours after my first video where I showed the icing on the trees. You can see most of that is gone now. The rain has washed it away. They're still a little bit high up in the trees, and some of the trees way in the back there still have some icing on them. The Weather Service says that we should get potentially another 1/10 of an inch of freezing rain later tonight. So there's still a threat later tonight. They say that elevated surfaces such as bridges and overpasses will be the danger spots, so be careful if you're driving. Temperatures are going to hover in the low 30s. We remain under a winter weather advisory until 7 a.m. Friday. Later Friday, temperatures will rise and hopefully get rid of the rest of this ice.